Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga kaji! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig ay hayaan nyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating Wednesday episode ng ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. So bago po tayo mag-start, ako po ay hihingi muna. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, okay, subscribe and share. O syempre mag-comment-comment po kayo sa baba dyan. At maraming salamat po at patuloy pa rin tayo dahil po sa inyo, ako po ay na-inspired para po tayo ay continue po natin yung ating lectures. Ayun, ika-4 na araw na po tayo na nag-discuss about dandelions, mga masters, mga ka-G. Kaya let's go, tatapusin na natin ang dandelion ngayon. So, didiscuss po natin yung dandelions, the benefits, the nutrition, antioxidants, and anti-inflammation. So, kahapon, third day natin, ngayon ika-4 na. So, mga diniscuss natin, mga benefits niya. Number 1 is highly nutritious. Number 2 po, ang benefit niya is contains potent antioxidants. And number 3 po ay may help fight against inflammation. And number 4, the benefit po niyan is may aid in blood sugar management. And number 5, may reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 6 is may lower blood pressure. And number 7, may promote liver health. Okay. Number 8, it may aid weight loss. And of course, on number 9 is may have anti-cancer effects. Alright, so let's proceed po sa number 10, mga masters. Number 10 is dandelion. So, tatlo po yan. Pinag-uusapan natin, flower, ang kanyang leaves, at saka yung kanyang roots. Okay? So, it may support healthy digestion and treat constipation. May support healthy digestion and treat constipation. O, sino ba sa inyo dito yung may constipation o nanahihirapan po mag-poops? Ayun. Supposed to be, mga masters and mga ka-G, we have to have one bowel movement a day, particularly po sa alas 6 ng umaga. Kaya po ini-encourage ko po kayong lahat na magising talaga at before 6 kasi po our large intestines, according to the meridian clock, Chinese meridian clock, na ang ating large intestines po are very active at 6 in the morning. Kaya po kailangan po natin mag-poops alas 6 ng umaga to make sure that the large intestine is doing its job properly. So once a day lang po tayo mag-poops. Kung nagpo-poops kayo po 3 to 4 to 5 times a day, it means lahat po ng kinakain mo ay hindi na-absorb ng katawan natin because there's a specific process. Kumbaga po yung ating katawan po ay, digestive system po natin, ay may mga organs yan na involved. Hindi po lahat ng kinain mo ilalabas yan. Most of the time po ay ma-absorb ng ating cells at saka yung mga mahirap na ma-digest, magsistay pa yan sa ating large intestines because marami pang enzymes ang kailangan magtrabaho dyan. Ang problema, every time na kumain ka, halimbawa, after 30 minutes, ay kayo nag-poops. Ang tanong, saan ba napunta yung pagkain na kinain mo? Hindi siya na-process properly, ay lumalabas po siya. Kung minsan po ay nakikita pa natin yung kinain natin, nandyan pa. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po siya natunaw. Okay? So, dandelion helps or may support healthy digestion and treat constipation. Dandelion is often used in traditional medicine to treat constipation and improve digestive health. Okay, so one older animal study found a significant increase in the rates of stomach contractions and stomach emptying in rats treated with dandelion extract. So, pag nang kumain, ang binigyan po nila ng dandelion extract po ang rats, yun, because study po yan, nakita po nila na mas maging maganda po yung ang galawan ng kanilang mga intestines at nagiging maganda po yung emptying, yung pagpalabas ng dumi. So kung pwede yun sa mga animals, naturally, of course, pwede yun sa atin sa human beings, di ba? Okay? So dandelion root is also rich in prebiotics. Prebiotics, mga masters, inulin. Meron siyang fiber na inulin, which has been shown to reduce constipation and promote the movement of food through the digestive system. Yung fiber na inulin is a prebiotic po siya nakakatulong po siya sa pagpagalaw at pagpalabas ng dumi. Kaya po ang dandelion po, especially ang kanyang root, yun ay makakatulong talaga mga masters. Furthermore, with more than 3 grams of fiber per cooked cup. Okay? Dandelion greens. Ito na yung greens niya, mga masters. Ito na po yung greens niya. Yung green talaga. Ito yung paborito ng gin natin. Yung dandelion greens po, mga masters, ay pag niluto mo siya, 3 grams of fiber per cooked. 105 grams po yan. Okay? Bump up the fiber intake. Nakakatulong po siya sa ating fiber intake. Ayaw ni G kumain ngayon, no? Ayan, G, eat na. Sure, dandelion. Favorite ni G ito eh. Diba? So, dandelion greens may bump up your fiber intake, mga masters. Nakatulong po siya pataasin yung fiber intake mo. So, fiber supports bowel regularity and protects against various digestive conditions, including hemorrhoids and diverticulitis. So, sino po sa inyo dyan ang may mga hemorrhoids at diverticulitis? Yun, fiber is very, very important, mga masters. Very important po ang fiber. So, kailangan po natin kumain ng fiber-rich food. So, dandelion is also one of the best na fiber-rich na food. Okay? So, that's why bibigyan natin si Jean ito. Okay? Ano pa po ang makikita natin sa dandelion? Fiber supports bowel regularity and supports against various digestive conditions, including hemorrhoids and diverticulitis. Sabi na natin yan. In summary, dandelions is rich in fiber and prebiotics, okay, such as inulin, both of which may support healthy bowel regularity among other digestive benefits. Ayan po. Ayan natin si Gijan. Number 11, it boosts the immune system. Dandelions may boost the immune system, mga master. Some research indicates that dandelion may have antimicrobial and antiviral properties which may support your body's ability to fight infection. Nakakatulong po ang dandelion po to fight infection at nakapag-increase po ng ating immune system. Several test tube studies have found that dandelion extracts significantly reduces viruses and ability to replicate. Ngayon po, pinapatay at nilireduce niya po ang mga viruses sa ating katawan at ina-avoid niya po ang pagdami at pag-spread po ng mga viruses. Research also indicates that some active compounds in dandelion protect against harmful bacteria and fungi. So, aside sa antiviral po siya, antibacterial at antifungal din po ang dandelion. Nagpag-glutathione na tayo. Alright, so ultimately, more research is needed in humans. In summary, although research in humans is lacking, some test tube studies suggest that dandelion has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. Alright mga masters, let's proceed po sa number 12. Maybe useful skincare treatment. Ang dandelion po ay nakakatulong din po para sa skincare treatments natin. Animal and test tube research notes that dandelion extracts may protect against skin damage caused by sunlight or aging and acne. Ay nakakatulong po siya sa sunlight, exposure natin sa sunlight, aging, at saka sa acne, yung mga pimples na marami talaga. In one study, a fermented broth, kumbaga fermented over time na po, pinatagal nila po sa isang lalagyanan for over how many days or weeks or months, depende kung ano yung studies nila. Yung broth niya, yung ninaga nila, yung tubig mismo. Okay? So mayroon silang ganun na ginawa. Fermented broth of dandelion extract prevented skin damage when applied just both or immediately after exposure to UV radiation. So, nagpa-expose sila sa sun or sa UV rays, and nilagyan po nila ng liquid na yan na ginamit po nila yung fermented broth of dandelion. Pinahid po nila. So, ito po ang nangyari po ay, which is the radiation you get from the sunlight, ayun, nakaprotect po siya sa skin. An older test tube study showed that dandelion root extract increased the generation of new skin cells. Yun, pinapaganda niya, pinapatubo niya po ang new generation. Kumbaga, may skin renewal po tayo, which may support your skin's appearance as you age. So, bumabata po yung inyong skin. Additionally, older research indicates that dandelion extracts may reduce skin inflammation and irritation while increasing hydration and collagen production. Ayun, maganda po siya kasi it reduces skin infection and irritation at saka ina-hydrate niya po yung ating skin, ating balat. Okay? And collagen production para hindi po siya kumulubot. O, diba? Ang ganda talaga ng ating dandelion. This may be useful in treating against type of acne. Sa acne maganda, diba? However, recent research on the effects of dandelion on skin is lacking. Bahala na dyan. And studies are limited as treating certain limited to test tube and animals. In summary, mga masters, animal and test tube studies suggest that dandelion may prevent against skin damage caused by sun damage, aging, and acne. Further research in humans is needed. Hanggang dito lang po tayo. Meron pa tayong 13. And tapos niyan ay wala na. Pero kapos tayo sa oras. Ayan mga masters at mga ka-G, hanggang dito lang po tayo. Pahinga muna tayo sa ating Premier Marathon. Kita-kits tayo sa Team Puyaters. Doon naman tayo mag-premier mamayang gabi. At let's support live streams, let's support premiers para po makatulong tayo sa mga kaibigan natin. At syempre kung tayo naman may kailangan, nandyan naman sila para sa atin. Alright, so welcome. Salamat na laming. Thank you and also welcome po sa mga laging nandito po sa atin. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm and God is great. Yahoo!